Oh, now it's focusing. It's... Christ. Okay, I'm gonna press play. And music.
On that path.
That's kind of pretty.
You wouldn't leave the house.
Whenever you're ready.
Side eye.
Will you give me a count? No! Right now.
Can I be in GTA?
Do it. Can you do the walk? Can you?
Hold on.
I know you love NPC walks.
Need something? Yep. Alright.
Maybe?
Damn it. I think that's good.
Yeah.
I got that thing.
Back up, back it up, back it up. Back up, back up, back up a little, right in front of your toesies.
I forgot to do it. God, the 5-second countdown. That's all. Baby! Jesus Christ.
Hey, can you run less gay?
I went the wrong way, but that's okay.
I'm recording. Are you taking her wig off? Are you taking the wig off?
God, there's so much people bled out here.
Oh no! Oh no. Saber, you look like a tiny bear mauled your back.
You don't mind me getting in your way.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, if you guys lie back down on the railroad tracks, they will call the cops.
Okay, we're done. Baby, baby, we're done. Baby.
I think I just inhaled a bug in my nose.
Alright. recording?
I think we've got enough of these. Have another.
Me.